Bros, how far now? So how much is this iPhone 14 Pro Max that I'm holding?
Chairman, that is 1.2 million naira.
That's like, say, $1,000. All right, that's a small challenge. All right, can I swipe a card? Or what mode of payments do you people accept?
You can swipe a card, sir. But you look very, very familiar. I've been looking at the face since you walked into this phone shop. You look like the YouTuber, Victor Isibor. The one that does reviews of make money online opportunities on Victor Isibor Reviews YouTube channel. Are you the one, sir?
Yes, so I'm the one. How are you now?
I do enjoy all your videos. You are doing a really good job on YouTube. Yes, I'm one of your viewers.
Oh, it's a pleasure connecting with you. You see, I'm proud you're one of my viewers. At least one of my viewers owns a phone shop selling phone accessories, different kind of phones. This is awesome.
Bros, calm down, oh. I'm not the owner of this place, oh. I'm just a sales boy.
Chai!
Oh, wow. Oh, sorry, I was assuming. Oh, it's still okay. It's still okay. At least you're a hardworking man and you are making a decent living for yourself. So it's a good one.
Mr. Victor, I'm not making any decent living. This is indecent living. Half of my salary, I spend it on transportation. The rest, I spend it on data. See, there is no money here. That is why I plan to japa. I want to leave this country as soon as possible. I'm tired. And if you look at me very well, from the way I speak, you will know that I'm a graduate. I'm very learned. I even had a 2-1 in chemical engineering. So Nigeria has failed me. So I want to leave this country as soon as possible. If there are any travel agents that you can recommend them to me so that I can start talking to them while I'm raising money to leave this country. I don't even mind selling off our family house so that I can leave this country.
My friend, don't be so desperate. Why are you planning to sell off your family house? Which country do you intend to go to?
Mr. Victor, you are still asking. It is Canada, of course. I want to go to Canada as soon as possible. If I cannot go to Canada, then I will consider relocating to the United Kingdom. I must leave this country by fire, by force.
My brother, calm down. Don't let desperation make you to make a lifelong mistake that you're going to regret for the rest of your life. How can you consider selling your family house to relocate to Canada? Do you know how many years you will work in Canada before you can build that family house that you intend to sell now? You think it is easy in Canada? You all just believe that the grass is greener on the other side. Okay, look at these Canadian women, citizens of Canada, working in Canada. Okay, listen and watch what they have to say.
Everybody keeps saying it's going to get better. How is it going to get better? Our economy is so fucked that I work a full-time job. I make $21 an hour working 40 hours a week. I have no extra expenses, no bills out of my living. I have one credit card that's maxed because I've lived off of it, but other than that, I don't have cable. I haven't had cable in 10 years. We have cell phones, but, that's required to live on. But other than that, nothing extra. On paper, my bills are $2,701. My income is $2,710. Do the math. $9 a month before I pay for food, gas, car repairs, any entertainment. There's no money for that. And my car is dying. It's paid for, so I don't have car payments now that I'm going to replace. And I don't know how to do that on $9 a month. $9 to feed myself, $9 to buy a car, $9 for insurance. Yeah. So at the end of the day, this is me because I worked 8.5 hours a day, knowing that it's not enough, that it won't be enough. Fuck you, Ontario.
I consider myself a positive person. I'm like resourceful, but some stuff happened around the property, and like, well, I know I'll never truly be homeless. Like, I have family to live with, and you know, like, I have options. Like, I'm luckier than a lot of other people, but how the hell is anyone existing in Canada? Like, I feel trapped. And like I just got a good job. I started in September, but even with that job, it pays less than 40 grand a year, and it's a job that requires like education, and even on that job, like, I still can't do shit. I can't buy anything. I can't afford the rent these days. Like, I'm just feeling so much despair, and I know I'm normally like really, really positive, but I'm just like, how is everyone else, and are you okay? Because the answer's probably no. And I know I'm lucky. I don't have kids. I have like good family that will support me, but I feel like I can't stay here, but I can't move anywhere else, because anywhere else I move to, I'm gonna be charging, like, the landlords are just gonna charge me like $2,500 a month in rent. Like, unless I move into the middle of literally nowhere where there are 0 jobs, and I'm just feeling really overwhelmed. And like, I don't know. There's a part of me that just wants to say F it and just get a whole bunch of credit cards and just travel and just like get out of Canada, because like I know it's bad everywhere. I really do. But I don't know. At 33 years old, like, I was really hoping that I could at the very least afford, you know, a small house. I don't want 3,100 square feet bullshit. I just want something small, 500 square feet, even less. And yet, it's so fucking expensive. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
So now you see that the grass isn't always greener on the other side. The grass is greener where you water it. I walked into your shop here. I came to buy an iPhone. You spoke to me in Naira. I responded to you in US dollars. You said the iPhone is 1.2 million Naira. I did my calculation and I told you that is $1,000. I am in Nigeria earning US dollars without visiting America. You can do the same thing too. There are so many tech courses that you can take. You get a tech job now. They'll start paying you in US dollars. You don't have to travel abroad. If you cannot do tech, because tech is not for everybody, there are make money online opportunities that you can start doing, and you start making money in USDT.
Wow, the grass isn't always greener on the other side. So there are Canadians in Canada that are struggling financially. So there are British people in Britain that are struggling financially.
My brother, do you know that there are legitimate make money online opportunities that can pay you more US dollars than that your uncle who is doing casual work in Minnesota, that your sister who is a sales girl at a shopping mall in New York? Yes, you will be in this Nigeria. You'll be making more US dollars than them. Yes, and it is plug and play. Anybody can do it. See, let me tell you. Crypto has made a lot of people overnight multimillionaires in US dollars. And you can make some of this crypto money too. It doesn't require any skill from you. A robot will handle all the trades. This robot is 100% automated plug and play. You have nothing to worry about. Just hire the robot for a whole year and watch it print money for you non-stop 24/7 for the entire year.
My brother Victor Isibor, information is indeed power. Do you know that I prayed on the altar of fire this morning that God should send me an helper that will come with valuable information that will give me a breakthrough financially so that I can stop being a sales boy. Do you know that this phone shop is owned by my junior at high school, my secondary school boy that I used to send on errands? He owns this place. I am now his employee. Victor Isibor, I will take this opportunity seriously. I will send you a message via your WhatsApp link in the description of this video so that you will give me more information about this opportunity, and I'll start saving from my salary so that I can use it to hire the robot so that it will be trading for me too.
Send me a message via the WhatsApp link in the description of this video so that you too can begin to make US dollars without stepping foot in America.